There she goes, you little bitch. You've escaped. Where are you going to go now?
Chico.
Just leave it. Go fly. You little shit. I can't believe it that a budge as young as that would do something like that.
Chico.
Is it to make a phone call out?
Looking for the yellow pages. Come on, Chico.
You can get out, but you can't get back in unless you get a helping hand.
Come on, Chico. Come on.
Let's stop it.